Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so yes, now 10 students have joined the meeting till now. Abhiyan beta, emojis हटा लो अपने नाम से. Please remove these emojis in your name.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, so now I think we should start. Only 11 students have joined till now,
Yes, sir. Let's start.
and we have already waited too long.
Yes, sir.
So, which exercise we were doing in the last class?
Sir, 9.5.
Have you all completed 9.5?
No, sir.
Okay,
We were starting 9.5.
we have to start 9.5.
No, sir.
Ah,
Sir, we have done till 10.
okay. I think we have completed question A of. I think we have completed 9.5. Have you all completed 9.5?
No, sir.
Ashfa, is there Ashfa?
No,
Till
sir.
which we have done? Ashfa, beta.
Yes, sir. I'm just telling, sir. I was bringing my notebook. So my notebook was filled.
You must have done these questions in your book, maybe.
Sir, we have done question number A.
Question number 8. Till question 8 of exercise 9.5. Question A.
Sir, A question.
Question A we have completed. B we have not done. We haven't started B.
Sir, you told that you will tell us how to do the 12th one.
Okay.
Sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So this chapter has taken a lot of time. No problem. Other chapters are small. We are doing exercise 9.5. Question A. 12th part. 0.937 divided by 100. Divided by 100. Okay. So you have to divide 0.937 by 100. Now, in this, when you are dividing a number, when you're dividing a decimal number by 100, you move the decimal to the left side. Which side? Left side. When we are dividing it by 100 or by 10 or by 1000, we have to move it to the left side. The decimal is moved to the left side. Now, because the number is 100, the decimal will move how many places? It will move 2 places. Okay. But before decimal, there is only 0. In the question, it is only 0. So if you move the decimal 2 places to the left side, let us assume that there are more zeros on the left side. You can include as many zeros as you want. Add as many zeros as you want in the starting of the number. Doesn't matter. So if you move one place, 1 0 will be added, 2 zeros will be added. If you move 2 places, so 0.00937. Okay. So one place, for one place you will add 1 0, and for another place you will add another 0. So 0.00937 is the answer. So if you want, you can write a 0 in the starting also. 0.00937. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do
Yes, sir.
question B. Let's start doing question B. In question B, you have to fill this box. 6.4 divided by, multiplied by what? Multiplied by what? Gives you 64. So,
So we have to do this in book?
yes, in the book only. Do this in your book only.
Sir, can I tell the answer of this?
Wait, wait. 6.4 multiplied by what is equal to 64. So in your answer, you can check from the question and answer, you can see that the decimal has moved only one place. How many places? And it is moved to the right side. Decimal is moving to the right side, and how many places? Only one place. Okay. So that means we will multiply by 10. If we multiply 6.4 by 10, then the decimal will move one place to the right. So answer will be 64. What is your answer? It is 10. Understood, everyone? Second question. 14.04 multiplied by what is equal to 11404.
Sir, 100?
Yeah,
100.
yes, correct. So
100.
decimal has moved 2 places to the right side. 2 places to the right side. So you will write 100. Okay. Third one. Box multiplied by 10 gives 37.8.
Sir, 3.78.
Correct. Correct answer. Now we are multiplying this number by 10, and the answer that you get is 37.8. So which number I should multiply by 10 so I get 37.8? Okay. So if it is suppose 3.78, if you multiply 3.78 by 10, if you multiply, just try 3.78. If you multiply by 10, the decimal will move one place to the right side and you will get 37.8. So answer is 37.8. What will come in the box? 3.78. Okay. You can verify your answers like this. If you multiply these two, the answer will be 37.8 or not. Just check whether it is coming 37.8 or not. If it is coming 37.8, the answer is correct. What you are getting is correct. That means you have filled the right answer in the box. Okay. Can you do the rest of the parts, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Try the rest of the parts.
Sir, done.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I've also done.
So done. So done.
Okay. Done all the parts of this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm telling you the answer. You can verify
Yes,
your
sir.
answer. Fourth one, the answer is 0.26. Sorry. Fourth one, the answer is 2.677.
Sir, my answer is correct.
2.677. Fourth one. Fifth one, the answer is 1000. Fifth
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And sixth one, the answer is 13.674. Sixth one.
Yes,
So
sir.
my
Sir,
answer
my
is correct. So my answer is correct.
all answers. Sir, my all answers are correct.
Very good. Let's do the C, C part of the question. Sorry, C question C. C question C. D question C. C question C. C question C. Yeah. First part. 4.6 divided by what is equal to 0.46. Very similar type of question.
Sir, 10.
The only thing is that we are dividing, in this case, we are dividing. So 4.6 divided by what number will give you 0.46. So you can see
Sir,
that
10.
the decimal has moved one place to the left side. one
Sir,
place
10.
on the left side. That means we will divide the number by 10 to move the decimal one place to the left side. अगर हमें डेसिमल को लेफ्ट साइड में वन प्लेस मूव करना है तो we divide the number by 10. You got it or not? Do you know this? Answer is 10. Second part. 4.76 divided by what? 4.76 divided by what?
Sir, 100.
Gives you 0.0476. Yes, correct answer. 0.0476. Okay. So how many places the decimal has moved to the left side? Again, you can see the decimal is moving to the left side. How many places? 2 places this time. 2 places to the left side. So you will divide the given number by 100 to move the decimal 2 places to the left side. So 100 is the answer. Third part of the question. Which number when divided by 100? Which number when divided by 100 gives you 0.567? 0.567. Okay, so you have to think
5
like this.
point. Sir, 5.
किसी नंबर को 100 से जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो we move the decimal 2 places to the left side. Am I right?
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
को कोई भी नंबर को अगर 100 से आप डिवाइड करेंगे you have to move the decimal 2 places to the left side. यानी कि decimal 2 places move होने के बाद 0.567 पर आया है. The decimal has come here after moving 2 places to the left side. So what is the original number? The original one is 56.7.
5.67.
56.7. 2 places move करा है, then it becomes 0.567
Oh.
because the decimal is moving 2 places to the left. So अगर 56.7 को we divide by 100, we will get 0.567. So this is the answer. 56.7. Now try the remaining parts.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Done.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Well done.
Okay. Get your answers. I'm telling you the answers, all of you. The answer of the fourth one is 1000. Fifth part,
My answer is correct.
yes. Fifth part, the answer is 9176.3. 9176.3. And sixth one, the answer is 543.8. 543.8. None of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will start with the next exercise. 9.6. In exercise 9.6, you will learn how to divide number and find the answer in decimals. Okay. Dividing a smaller number by a larger number and finding the answer in decimal. This is what you will learn in this exercise. Okay, so let's start.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand fifth and sixth one.
Fifth and sixth part of question C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fifth one I'm telling you. Dash when divided by 1000, you get 9.1763. 9.1763.
Sir, which exercise is this?
Because we are still doing 9.5. Key question, fifth part we are doing. Someone was asking the question. So dash a number, which number divided by 1000 gives you 9.1763. Now, if we divide, we all know that if we divide a number by 1000, the decimal moves to the left side. So after moving 3 places to the left, the decimal has come here. After moving to the left side, 3 places to the left side, the decimal is now after 9. So originally decimal कहाँ पर होगा? Originally it must be, आप उल्टा कर लीजिए, उल्टा काम करिए. Decimal left में move होने के बाद यहाँ पर आया है. तो originally कहाँ होगा? That means you have to move the decimal to the right side. हमें पता चल जाएगा. So you will move decimal 3 places to the right. 9176.3. Now you can verify your answer. If you divide this number by 1000, the decimal will move 3 places to the left. Try dividing this number by 1000. Move the decimal 3 places to the left side, so you will get 9.1763. This is what your answer is. That means you are doing it correctly. This is your answer. 9176.3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And the sixth part is also similar type. In the sixth part, the answer is 543.8. 543.8. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us start 9.6. In this question A, first part you have to divide 6 by 8. Now the divisor is 8 and the dividend is 6. You can see that the divisor is greater than the dividend. Divisor यहाँ पर 8 है. Divisor is greater than the dividend. We have to find the answer in decimal. Can we divide a smaller number by a larger number? ऐसा possible है? Yes, it is possible if you are finding the answer in decimal. You can do it. So how we are going to do it?
Sir, by
Let us see. Now you must know that I can write 6 as 6.0. This is the same thing. You write 6 or you write 6.0, it is the same thing. Or you can write 6.00 also, or you can write 6.000. As many zeros as you want, you can add after decimal. After decimal, you can add as many zeros as you want. Got it? So this thing we are going to use here. Okay. So let's see how we will use it here. See. So 6 is the number. The number 6 is smaller than 8. 6 is smaller than 8. I am right or not? So you cannot divide 6 by 8 like this. So what do? You write a decimal 0.0 like this, 6.0. Now because you have included a decimal here, you have to include a decimal here also on in the place of quotient. Quotient में भी आप एक decimal लगा दो. Now it becomes 60. Just consider this number as 6060. Okay. Write a decimal and just think like that this number is 60. Okay. Now 60 is smaller than 8 or larger than 8? It is larger than 8. You have to think that the number is 60. Don't see the decimal, write the decimal, include the decimal, place the decimal, but forget about the decimal. Just think that the number is 60. Okay. Now 60, what I should write here to divide 60 by 8? 8, 7,
7.
56. 56. What is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. Okay. So 4 is a smaller number. Again, 4 is
sir, 56.
Yeah. 4 is again a smaller number. So what you will do? You will add another 0. Okay. 1 0 in every time when you are dividing a number, decimal number, 1 0 you can add directly. Okay. Without making any changes. The remainder is 4, so I have written another 0 here. The number is now 40. 40. So 40 when divided by 8, you get 5. 8 5s are 40. Okay. Now you subtract, the remainder is 0. 40 minus 40 is 0. So what is your answer? 6. You've got the answer.
0.75.
0.75. To check whether you have done correctly or not, you can try multiplying 0.75 by 8. You will get 6. So 6 divided by 8, the answer is 0.75. थोड़ा ऐसे ही अपने आप को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट करने के लिए you can try this in your calculator also. Don't use calculator. I am not asking you to use calculator regularly, but in your calculator you can see it. It will be fun to see whether you have done it correctly or not. The calculator will also tell you that 6 divided by 8 is equal to 0.75. So are you all learning division of decimal numbers for the first time? Am I right? Or you have done this in your previous class also?
Yes, sir. We are learning first time.
You have done in 4th class also?
No, sir.
You're doing it for the first time.
test we can do with our own?
I will give you another example and then you can do it. So how I have written this zero here? मैंने zero कहाँ से लिख दिया ये ऐसे ही? You know that we can add as many zeros as we want after decimal. So एक zero मैंने यहाँ से copy करा है. Okay, got it? So जब तक मेरा number यहाँ पर remainder zero नहीं आएगा, I will keep on adding zeros and copying those zeros down. So from here I have copied this zero. 6.000. You can add as many zeros as you want after decimal. So जब तक remainder zero नहीं आएगा, I will keep on copying down the zeros. Okay. Got it? Very simple concept. Let's do
Sir,
another. We all done this? Yes.
Sir, if the zero does not come, sir, so
If the remainder does not come zero at all, remainder you are
Yes,
talking
sir.
about. I will tell you what to do in that case. Okay. When the question will come, I will tell you what to do. Let's take one more of this type. Second question. 5 divided by 8. Again, the divisor is 8 only. So 5. 5 is smaller than 8. क्या करना है? सबसे पहले you write 5.0. Because 5 is smaller than 8, 5.0. Now, because you have written 0.0, you will straight away write a point in place of the quotient. In quotient also write a decimal. Okay, again you will start the number with decimal. Why? Because this number 5 is smaller than 8, so we are starting with a decimal here. It becomes 50.0 we have written. So now think of this number as 50, 50. Forget about the decimal here. Decimal का काम खत्म हो गया है. Now simply you have to divide 50. 50 divided by 8. So 8, 6 are 48. 8, 6 are 48. What is the difference? It is 2. Now 2 is smaller than 8. What to do? You will write another 0 here and then copy down the 0. You can copy down this 0. It becomes 20. As many zeros as you want, you can add here in the given number in the place of dividend. As many zeros you can want, you can add here. Now copy down the 0, it becomes 20. 20 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. Subtract. What is the difference? 4. Again, the remainder is not 0. And this remainder 4 is smaller than 8. So you add another 0 in the place of dividend. एक और 0 मैंने लगा दिया यहाँ पर, and then you copy down this 0. It becomes 40. Okay. So 40 when divided by 8 is 5.
Answer.
8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. So finally you have got the remainder 0. What is the answer? 0.625. 0.625 is your answer. 5 divided by 8 is equal to 0.625. Just to feel confident, you can verify your answer in calculator. I don't want you all to use calculator for mathematical calculations, but just to become a little confident, you can check your answer with the help of a calculator here. Otherwise, you are not going to use calculator at all. Your mind is sharper than a calculator. Do you know that? So now you can do the next one, all of you. Try the third one. Tell me the answer. Try the third part.
Sir, the answer of third one is 0.5.
Correct answer. Very good.